In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Dropbox files online only. This is a great way to save space on your computer while still ensuring that your important documents, pictures, and projects are safely stored in the cloud. So, let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps together. First, you'll want to open your File Explorer. This is typically found in your taskbar or can be accessed by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once you're in the File Explorer, you'll need to navigate to your Dropbox folder. If you have the Dropbox desktop software installed, this folder should be easily accessible, often located in your quick access panel or under this PC. Take a moment to find the folder, and once you've located it, open it by double clicking. Now that you're inside your Dropbox folder, it's time to identify the specific file or folder that you want to make online only. Browse through your files and pinpoint the ones that are currently stored both locally on your device and in the Dropbox cloud. Got your file? Great. Move your cursor over to it and give it a right click. You'll notice a menu popping up after you right click on your chosen file or folder. From this context menu, look for the option that says Make Online Only. This option allows you to free up space on your computer by removing the local copy of the file while still keeping it available in your Dropbox online. It's a handy feature, especially if you're working with limited disk space, or if you simply prefer managing your files in the cloud. Click on Make Online Only, and voila! Your file is now transformed into an online-only file. What this means is that it's no longer taking up space on your hard drive, but remains fully accessible through Dropbox whenever you need it. Whenever you want to use or download this file, you can easily access it by being connected to the internet. A quick tip for you here: if you frequently find yourself needing certain files offline, Dropbox also has an option to make files available offline. So, if necessary, you could reverse this process to ensure that files are downloaded back to your computer. Remember that these steps not only help manage your local storage effectively, but also promote better file organization and security. Knowing your files are in the cloud can give you peace of mind, eliminating concerns about data loss from computer malfunctions or drive failures. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Dropbox files by making them online only. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it will enhance your Dropbox experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech tips.